Hey there, coding content crew. Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the murky depths of computer science and try not to drown in jargon. Today, we're tackling algorithms. You know, those mystical incantations that somehow get your computer to do what you want, or at least what you think you want. Don't worry, algorithms aren't as scary as they sound. They're just a fancy way of saying processes or recipes. And trust me, if you've ever made a sandwich, you've basically written an algorithm. So, let's kick things off with the big question. What is an algorithm? Simply put, it's a step-by-step process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations. It's like the GPS of programming, guiding you from point A to point B without getting lost in the wilderness of code. Now you might be thinking, great, but I'm not a computer. Why should I care about algorithms? Well, my friend, you use algorithms every single day, whether you realize it or not. Let's say you're deciding what to binge watch on Netflix. The algorithm there is basically your personal TV assistant, suggesting shows you might like based on your questionable taste in reality TV. And if you're one of those people who actually sticks to a budget, first of all, good for you. Algorithms are behind the scenes in your financial apps, and helping you track expenses and suggest where to cut back on your daily coffee habit. Yeah, that's right, your coffee addiction is algorithmically monitored. So how do these algorithms work, you ask? Well, it's all about input, processing, and output. Think of it like baking a cake. Your input is flour, sugar, eggs, all the good stuff. The process involves mixing, baking, and patiently waiting while trying not to eat all the batter. And the output? A delicious cake. Or, a slightly burnt one, if you're me. Now let's get a bit more technical. You've got different types of algorithms like sorting and searching. Sorting algorithms are like Marie Kondo for your data, organizing things in a way that sparks joy, or at least makes them easier to find. Searching algorithms, on the other hand, are like having a hyper-efficient librarian who can locate that obscure book you're looking for in seconds. But folks, not all algorithms are created equal. Some are quick and nimble, like a ninja in the night, while others are slow and lumbering, like me before my morning coffee. Let's take sorting as an example. You've got algorithms like quicksort, which is pretty much the Usain Bolt of sorting. Then there's bubble sort, which is more like your grandma trying to figure out how to use Facebook. Remember, the efficiency of an algorithm can make or break your application. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want a pizza delivery guy who takes 6 hours to get to your house, right? You want the guy who gets there while your cheese is still gooey. But here's the kicker. Algorithms aren't just for computers. They're everywhere. They're in your morning routine when you decide which sock to put on first. They're in the way you choose to avoid eye contact on public transport. They're even in the strategic maneuvers you pull to avoid that one coworker who always wants to chat about their cat's latest antics. So, the next time someone throws the word algorithm at you, don't panic. Just think of it as a set of instructions, like IKEA furniture assembly, but hopefully with fewer leftover screws. Alright folks, that's about all the algorithmic wisdom I've got for you today. Remember, whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, understanding algorithms is like having a superpower. It's the key to unlocking the potential of your programs and maybe even making your life a little bit easier. So, until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and remember, if you can bake a cake, you can write an algorithm. Just try not to burn it. See you in the next video.